Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the HOVER-1 Transport. This is a small and lightweight scooter, suitable for both child and adult who is under 150 pounds. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. First off, this 200-watt electric scooter can support up to a max weight of 150 pounds. It has a 14-cell lithium-ion battery that provides 25.2 volt to the hub motor. It comes with two 6-inch solid tires, so you don't have to worry about getting flat. It has a max speed of 10 miles per hour and can provide range up to 5 miles. It features an adjustable height handlebar that you can adjust to your liking. And it also has a digital display that shows you the battery life and the speed you're going at. So let's go ahead and take this out. First off, we have here the Allen key that you can use to tighten up the bolts on the scooter. Here we have the power adapter, which has an LED light that turns green when charging is complete. We have here two handlebars that we will need to screw onto the scooter. We have here a quick start guide that shows you how to assemble and operate your unique scooter. Here we have a card with contact information if you need help with the scooter. Last but not least, we have here the HOVER-1 Transport Operation Manual. And here we have the scooter. It probably weighs about 10 to 15 pounds. This scooter looks pretty small. While folded, it extends out to 39 inches. When it's unfolded, the scooter will extend to 36 inches. So first impression, the scooter is quite small and lightweight. This is a perfect kid scooter, or a scooter for a college student to ride to class. It is easy to carry around, yet small enough to store in tight spaces. I like that this scooter has a simple classic design that make it look like a regular kick scooter. The only thing about the scooter is that it has no built-in suspension, so it will be a bumpy ride. So in order to unfold the scooter, you'll need to press down on this latch to release the locking mechanism. Once it's unfolded all the way, the latch will lock into place. The scooter comes with a nice kickstand on the left side of the scooter. Right next to it is where the charging port is located as well. The scooter steering column has 3 adjustable height that you can set easily. Here we have the handlebar that you will need to attach. The right handlebar will be screwed in counterclockwise, while the left is clockwise. The handlebar has a nice rubber grip, giving you a firm control of the scooter. There's the electronic brake on the left and the throttle on the right, along with the LED display right in the center. The scooter has a classic scooter clamp that holds the steering column tightly in place. In addition to the electronic brake, you also have the traditional foot brake that you can use. It is made of plastic with the reflective tape slapped onto it. The locking latch is simple to use, making transporting the scooter a breeze. The scooter has a 4.5 by 18-inch grip tape with the Hover logo that runs across the deck of the scooter. With the handlebar fully extending out, it reaches a total height of 36.5 inches. The LED interface is very basic. To turn the scooter on and off, you will just press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. It shows you the speed you're going at and the battery life of the scooter, and that's pretty much it. With here the throttle and brake. They are spring loaded and are easy to use. Let's go ahead and test out the hub motor. It seems pretty quiet and responds quickly when you give it power. The speed display maxes out at 10 miles per hour, but I believe it can go a bit faster than that. I'll do a test run on my next video, so we'll find out. The electronic brake worked just as good. This scooter took about 3.5 hours to fully charge. I'll be taking this scooter out for a test run, so stay tuned for my next upcoming video of the HOVER-1 transport test run. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching.